Got Meizu M6, and let me show you how to enable eye-friendly mode on the following device. So we have two methods. At first you can slide down the upper bar and simply click on eye-friendly icon. This is the one. And now the display will be adjusted to this mode. You can also switch it off in the same way, simply click on eye-friendly. But you can also open it through the settings. So let's open the settings at first, then find and select the display and brightness. And now under easy mode, you will be able to notice eye-friendly mode. Simply click on it, and now you can activate it by tapping on this switcher. So as you can see, the display just changed. So you can also personalize the temperature, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors. You can also switch it off now, but you can schedule this mode. So click on scheduled, and the first option is from sunset to sunrise, and the second custom. So you can select the start time, for example, let me pick 10, and then 6 as the end hour. So from now on, every day between 10 and 6 next day, this eye-friendly mode will be automatically activated, and you will be able to protect your eyes and help you sleep better. So that's it. This is how eye comfy mode looks like, how you can easily enable it. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.